Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Where else do we begin but football? In arguably the most dramatic match of the tournament so far, Iran beat 10-man Wales 2-0 in their Group B match at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar today. With the game seemingly headed for a 0-0 draw, Iran snatched victory with 2 late strikes in time added. Ruzbe Cheshme gave them the lead before Ramin Razani sealed the famous win for the Iranians. Wales also had the goalkeeper Wayne Hennessy red-carded in the 86th minute for dangerous tackle after review by VAR. Now, Iran moved into second in Group B with the win, while Wales are now at the foot of the group on a solitary point. Group leaders England will battle the USA at 2 p.m. In other matches so far today, African champions Senegal got their first points of the tournament after turning back hosts Qatar 3-1. Boulale Dia gave the Senegalese the lead in the 41st minute before Famara Diaw put them further ahead in the 48th. And Mohamed Muntari would pull one back for Qatar in the 78th before Mamba Dieng sealed the win for the Africans in the 84th minute. Now, the Netherlands were leading, Ecuador and the Netherlands were 1-1 at sports time in the other Group A match now underway. Come next season, reggae boy Corey Burke will be playing for a new franchise in the U.S. Major League. This as the striker has put pen to paper on a 2-year contract with the New York Red Bulls after ending his 5-year stint at the Philadelphia Union.
The style of play of New York Red Bull is going to fit me very well, knowing that they like to press high up the pitch, and that's my strong part of my game. So that's when New York know that I become a free agent. That's why they quickly target my option of added to their group.
Burke says it was disappointing to leave the Union, but the move makes business sense.
Me and my agent, we try to negotiate with the club, but other people at the club, they have other decision. So at the end of the day, I have to think about me, myself, my family, and my future.
Some cricket news now. Chasing 309 for victory, the West Indians will resume on 35 without loss in their second innings on day 4 in their day-night contest, the tour match that is, against the Australian Prime Minister's 11 at Canberra. They need another 274 runs. The Prime Minister's 11 had made 221 for 4 declared in their second innings. Matthew Renshaw top scoring with 101 not out. Peter Hancombe also making 75. The two also shared in a 145-run third wicket partnership to help the team recover from 13 for 2. Now, earlier, the West Indians, who resumed on 234 for 7, added only 1 to their overnight score as they were dismissed for 235 in their first innings reply. Alzari Joseph failed to add to his overnight 14, while Jaden Seals went without scoring. Raymond Reefer did not bat due to injury. So scores in the match, the Prime Minister's 11, 322 and 221 for 4. The West Indians, 235 and 35 without loss. And that is Stumps for now, and I am Jermaine Brown.